So this is part 2 to prove that this place is slumlords. Stand by. So him and his family been living here for about a year. They just moved out. So this is where the bed used to be at. You see that? You know, when you got carpet, you put furniture somewhere for a year. After you move it, it's still sort of clean underneath. And it has that furniture imprint, right? You see the dirt line around it. Okay? So it looks brown, right? But when you get closer to the corner over here, I don't know if you see it, but it's pink. I'm sure I'll find a better spot. Here we go. Pink. I hope y'all can see that. Let me see it real better right here. It's pink. Hopefully you can see it good. So they moved this family in here a year ago with dirty carpets, basically. That's what I'm trying to show. So make sure before you move into an apartment, you know what I'm saying, inspect it thoroughly, because it's still slumlords in this world. That's all I'm trying to say. Peace out.